How to change name in Quotex. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, once you have set your name and verified it, you will not be able to change it from this page right here where it says identity info, as you have the first name and last name boxes right here. But as I said, once you verified the identity and confirmed it, you cannot change it. What you can do in that case is you can contact the support by clicking on the icon at the bottom left of the screen and then click on create request. Then scroll all the way down where it says didn't find an answer to your question, contact customer support. Click on it and then select the subject to be other issues, and here you can write them your message and tell them that you want to change your name for whatever reason. Maybe it was misspelled or something like that, and they will gladly do it. It even happened to me once, like I have entered everything right and stuff like that, but after I checked my name, after the confirmation and the verification was done, my name was misspelled wrong. So I just contacted them and they replied ASAP and they just fixed the issue. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your name in Quotex. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.